Struggling with a barren garden, I felt defeated. Then I discovered how plants like the Venus flytrap adapt to nutrient-poor environments by capturing insects. Inspired, I added a small pond to attract bugs, creating a natural fertilizer source. Soon, my garden thrived, lush and vibrant. This taught me that sometimes nature's way is the best way. Embrace creativity and let nature guide you. Remember, even in scarcity, there's a way to flourish. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.